Magandang umaga, magandang tanghali o magandang gabi o anumang oras na napanood ninyo ang video ito. Welcome to our channel, Matuto Dapat, sapagkat ang kaalaman ay isang mahalagang kayamanan. Ngayon po ay ating pag-aralan the parallel lines with angle. Okay? Parallel lines are those lines that never meet and are equally spaced regardless of how far apart they are from one another. As we can see in figure 1 and figure 2, the line A in figure 1 and line B has the same distance, D1 and D2. Also the same with figure 2, the line 1 and the line 2. So, these parallel lines does not meet kahit pa gaano kahaba yung pag-stretch natin ng line. Okay? So, kapag parallel lines, the distance between the lines is equal. And the slope is also equal. So, the slope of the two lines is equal. So, malaman natin na it is parallel kapag equal ang kanilang slope. Alright. In geometry, a transversal is any line that intersects two straight lines at distinct point. So, sa geometry, mayroong parallel lines or mayroong dalawang lines. Parallel man o hindi. At kapag mayroong nag-intersect na another line in the same plane, ang tawag natin doon ay transversal. Now, kapag this transversal line intersect the parallel lines, the two parallel lines. Okay? So, we have to solve their angle. Example 1. A transversal line A intersect the parallel lines B and C. Solve for a known angle. So, meron tayong figure here. We have the line B and C. And meron tayong, this line B and C is parallel lines. And there is a transversal line A that crosses these two lines. Okay? And based on the figure, we have the given 47 angle, 47 degrees. The angle between line A and line C. Okay? Now, we have 7 unknown angle. At yun ang kailangan nating isolve. Now, kapag nagsosolve tayo ng angle in parallel lines with transversal line, dalawa lang po ang pwede natin makita dyan. Okay, yung dalawang angle, kapag i-plus natin ay 180 degrees. Or yung dalawang angle, kapag naka-opposite sila, that is equal angle. Okay? So, titingnan natin. Ang given is 47 degrees. Now, let's solve for line 1. Angle 1. Angle 1, yung line C ay straight line. Pag straight line, that is 180 degrees. Okay? So, from line C, tatawid tayo dito sa line A, punta sa kabila, so straight line, line C ay 180 degrees. Bawas natin yung 47 degrees na given. So, makuha natin si angle 1 equals 133. 180 minus 47 equals 133. Next. Si angle 3 ay opposite ni angle 1. So, they are equal. So, angle 3 is equal to angle 1. So, 130 degrees din. Tapos, itong si angle 4 ay same angle kay angle 1. Kasi tandaan natin, line C and D is parallel. So, parehas po yan sila ng slope. And then, mayroong transversal line na dumaan, straight line. So, ibig sabihin yung angle 1 and angle 4 is equal. Yan. So, angle 4 is equal to angle 1. So, the same degrees po meron sila. And then, si angle 7 ay opposite ni angle 4. So, dahil opposite sila, so the same angle po sila. Okay, angle 7 is also equal to angle 1. Okay, kasi opposite po ni angle 4. So, 133 degrees din. And then, we have angle 2. Angle 2 ay ka-opposite ni 47 degrees. So, therefore, si angle 2 ay 47 degrees. Tapos, si angle 5 is the same angle ni 47 degrees. So, or equal din siya kay angle 2. Tapos, angle 6 ay the same o opposite ni angle 5 and also kapariha ni angle 2. So, angle 6 is 47 degrees. Okay? Now, so ganun po ang pagkuha kapag isang transversal line lang po yan. Okay? We have another example. Example number 2. A transversal line D intersect the parallel lines E and F. Solve for a known angle. Mayroon tayong dalawang given. Okay? Angle 1 and angle 6. Si angle 1 ay 2x plus 45 quantity degrees. Okay, raised to quantity degrees. And then si angle 6 naman ay quantity po 3x plus 12 degrees. So kung titingnan po natin yung dalawang angle na yan, si angle 1 and si angle 6 ay parehas. So equal po sila. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin, i-equate po natin into equal. So, ang gagawin natin una, we have to find x first. Yan, solve for x. So, since si angle 6 ay kapareha ni angle 1, i-equal natin. 3x plus 12 equals 2x plus 45. And then, 3x minus 2x, si 2x, dilipat natin dun sa kabila o transpose natin. So, 3x minus 2x equals 45 minus 12. So, 3x minus 2 is x na lang. And then 45 minus 12 is 33. So, ang x value natin is 33. Now, i-substitute natin doon sa ating angle 1. Sa 2x plus 45. Okay? So, si angle 1 ngayon is equal to 2x plus 45. So, ang x ay 33. So, 2 times 33 plus 45 is equal to 111 degrees. Kasi ang 2 times 33 ay 66. So, 66 times plus 45 ay 111 degrees. Okay, so we can solve another angle. Si angle 3 ay opposite ni angle 1. So, parehas po sila ng degrees. 111 degrees. Okay, sino pa? Now, si angle 6, masolve din natin. No? Kasi mayroon na tayong given x. And alam natin na since parehas sila ni angle 1, so 111 degrees din yan. Angle 6 equals 3 times 33 plus 12 equals 111 degrees. So, dahil ang 3 times 33 ay 99 plus 12 ay 111. And then si angle 8 ay opposite ni angle 6. So, parehas lang po sila ng degrees, 111 degrees. So, ano na lang kulang natin? Angle 2, angle 4, 5, and 7. Okay. Si angle 2 ay alam natin na straight line po itong line E. So, kung manggaling tayo dito kay angle 1, papunta kay angle 2, that is 180 degrees. So, dahil may given na tayo ng angle 1, so i-minus natin from the 180 degrees yung angle 1 para makuha natin si angle 2. So, 180 degrees minus the angle 1, which is 111. So, ang angle 2 ay 69 degrees. Then, we can solve another angle. Si angle 4 ay opposite ni angle 2. So, parehas sila ng degrees. Okay? Si angle 5 ay inner degrees din at kapareha ni angle 2. Okay? So, angle 5 is equal to angle 2, 69 degrees din siya. And then, angle 7 is equal kay angle 5. So, dahil parehas lang, so equal din sila, 69 degrees. So, ganun po ang pagkuha ng mga degrees under this problem. So, kung sakaling lang nagkaroon ng problem na mayroong x value, titingnan nyo muna na kung ito ba ay equal angle or the sum of the two angle is 180 degrees. Okay? Example 3. So, ito ay medyo complicated kasi mayroon ng dalawang transversal. The transversal lines A and B intersect the parallel lines C and D. Solve for a known angle. Okay? So, dalawa po ang transversal dito. Si transversal line A and transversal line B. So, mayroon tayong parallel line, line C and D. Okay. So, ang given natin, 72 degrees and then 115 degrees. So, mayroon tayong dalawang given. Pero mayroon tayong dosing angle na kailangan nating hanapin ang value. Okay? So, let's start with angle 1. Si angle 1 ay, kung titingnan po natin, yung angle 1, kapag i-combine natin yung 72 degrees, ang kapareha po niyan ay 115 degrees. Okay, combine natin si angle 1 plus yung 72 degrees, kamukha po siya ni 115 degrees sa baba. Kaya si angle 1, okay, 115, bawas natin si 72, 43 na lang. No, that is 43 degrees. So kapag i-combine natin si angle 1, which is 43, tapos si 72, sagot po noon ay 115 kasi kamukha po siya dun sa baba. No? Ibig sabihin, the same angle po sila ng 115. Okay? Kapag i-combine natin, no? Yung dalawang angle. Okay, so nakuha natin si angle 1. So natin kunin si angle 2. Angle 2, kasi straight line po yan ang line C. So galing kay 72 degrees, papunta kay angle 2. So 180 degrees po yon. So, dahil 180 degrees, i-minus natin si angle 1 doon sa 180, which is 43. And then, ang isang angle na 72. So, 180 minus 43, is the angle 1, minus 72, 65 degrees po si angle 2. Okay, so we can solve now another angle. Okay. Si angle 3 ay 72 degrees. So, bakit? Kasi opposite siya kay 72 degrees. Angle 3 opposite kay 72 degrees, parehas sila. Angle 4 opposite kay angle 1. So, parehas din sila. Angle 4, no, opposite kay angle 1. Si angle 5 ay opposite kay angle 2. Okay? So, 65 degrees din siya. So, pag mga opposite, madali na lang. Angle 6. Okay? Titingnan natin si angle 6. Kung titingnan natin si angle 6, ito ay combination ng angle 1 and angle 2. Diba? Kapag i-plus natin si angle 1 at si angle 2, makuha po natin si angle 6. Okay? So, angle 6 equals angle 1 plus angle 2. So, 43 plus 65 is 108 degrees. Okay? Tapos, dahil may angle 6 na tayo, si angle 7, okay, angle 7, kaparehas po siya ni 72 degrees. So, angle 7 ay 72 degrees. Angle 8, opposite ni angle 7. So, parehas lang sila. So, angle 8 din ay 72 degrees. Si angle 9 ay opposite kay angle 6. Okay? Kaya, si angle 9 ay 108 degrees din. Si angle 10, titingnan natin si angle 10. Si angle 10 ay kaparihan ni angle 2. Si angle 2 ay 65, so angle 10 ay 65 degrees. Si angle 11, opposite kay 115. So, angle 11 is 115 degrees. Angle 12 ay opposite ni angle 10. So, angle 12 equals angle 10 ay equal 65 degrees. So, ganun po yung pag-analyze natin ng mga angle using this example. Alright, so you have now your exercises. Okay, practice 1. So, dalawa po ang ating problem in practice 1. No? Transversal line D intersect the parallel lines E and F, solve for the unknown angle. So, yan po, yung may unknown angle po tayo dyan. Tapos, number 2, transversal line A and B intersect the parallel line C and D. Solve for unknown angle then. Okay? And then another practice number 2, number 1, transversal lines A and B intersect the parallel lines C and D. Okay, so yan po, mayroon po siyang given degrees, no? Tapos si 2 ay yan, transversal lines A intersect the parallel lines B and C, so for the unknown angle. Okay, so yun po yung exercises natin. Maybe you have to answer that one. So thank you very much for watching. I hope that you have learned from this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and share sa mga kakilala niyo na may math subject unrelated to this topic. Thank you and God bless.